So, yesterday, actually the last couple of days, I went ahead and ground out all of the cracks in the deck and put some epoxy filler. I think we used some West epoxy and 405 additive adhesive. Filled all these cracks. Normally I would use polyester on this because the polyester boat. But just for the sake of time and the materials that we have, we're going to use epoxy. And going to use epoxy primer and epoxy top coat on all of this. So we just said screw it basically and use epoxy on everything. Otherwise my go-to on this kind of job would be polyester. And just use gel coat on everything and wet sand it out and polish it. It looks good. It's withstanding, and again, usually my go-to. But in any case, we have all the epoxy done on these cracks. Going to be pulling out these bunks. Took care of the bulkheads yesterday, and we're going to be making new pieces for everything. I think those are down here somewhere. Yeah. Bulkhead pieces. And so today I'm going to pull these out and sand down all of this epoxy and fill whatever low spots might be left. A little bit more epoxy if there are any. I put 2 coats on everything just in case, because this stuff kind of shrinks a little bit either way. So that's kind of what we got going on today with this boat.